Okay, so here's the controller. Actually, let me start from the bottom.
Powering off.
Alright, off, disconnected. Here's the Pharma gel. Okay, so I'm gonna turn on the controller. There it is. Right. So everything is up to date. Still not connected. Controller up to date. Okay. Turn it on. Camera, it's looking up. All right, it's red. Everything up to date. Green. Okay.
Acquiring GPS location. Three, two, one.
Nothing.
Acquiring GPS location.
Flying without GPS, requesting control, pressing hold to continue.
Three, two, one.
Nothing.